Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we have it. The fried chicken. Move this out of the way. And here we have the fried chicken. Perfectly fried. I even cut this one open just to make sure it was done all the way through. And it is. And I smelled it before I cooked it, just to make sure it didn't smell weird, because I put it in the fridge yesterday. So, yesterday afternoon I put it in the fridge to thaw out. It was so solid, frozen solid. So yeah, and then I went to the gym and came back today and cooked it this evening. So it wasn't in the fridge more than a little bit more than 24 hours, but that's it. And now it's perfectly fried. I'm kind of full because I just had a steak and part of a raspberry smoothie, but since we're here, we're gonna have to try a little piece. Just give me a second. I need my other hand. Alright, I'm gonna try this little guy. Okay. Not as good as my first batch. Trying to think. The first batch, I put it in the flour first, and then I put it in the egg. Then I put it back in the flour, so there was a double breaded texture on those, and they were really good. They came out perfect. These are good. These came out perfect, but only one and one. One egg, one dip in the flour. One dip in the egg, one dip in the flour. Dip in the egg, one dip in the flour. So they don't have the same fluffiness my first batch did. It's still very good. And I do need to season these again. You can see there's some seasoning on it. They are seasoned. I just put it very light because I didn't know how it was going to come out. And I knew most of it's going to come off in the oil, and then I have to re-season it anyway. So, but yeah, for now I'm good. I just wanted to show that. Try a little piece of it. And yeah, that's it. Fried chicken.